Hi, hello water. Uh, I want to express my feeling in the sense that soon you will be living in Iligan, but then I want to see that frankly to you that I learned a lot from you, my friend. So back home and to tell you again, to tell you more that it's your coming birthday on week of July. So, my friend, again, hope that you have many more birthdays to come. I wish you good health and back home with your family. I wish you all the luck. May God bless you always and continue your good attitude, your unselfish attitude that you have shown to everybody, not only for UN staff but also some local NGOs as well as international NGOs, and to all the people in Iligan that you have shared uh, your good attitude to the people. So again, my brother Water the Kuiper from Belgium, thank you for having with you for quite a short period of time. But again, I learned a lot from you, my friend. Back in mission, back in action, maybe someday we'll soon again meet in other mission area. God bless and thank you, my friend.